Hi, in this video we will see how to auto-fit all rows height and all columns width in Excel very easily. So here is one sample Excel file, and here we are seeing the width of each column is not same, and some columns have much space and some columns has small space. How we can do the auto format? And also if we check the rows carefully, we will see the same type of thing. All rows height are not equally same. It is different and there is much more space than required. So how we can auto fit all rows and all columns in Excel? Just watch the entire video and then you will understand, or you can do how to auto format entire rows and columns in Excel very easily. At first we need to select the entire Excel sheet. We can easily select the entire Excel sheet if we move our cursor at the left top corner of the sheet position where the rows and columns are beginning, and if we click here, then the entire cell data will be selected. Or if you want to use your keyboard only, just hold Ctrl or Command key plus A key together and it will select the entire data. Now we need to click on the home from the ribbon, home tab, and then here you will find one icon format. If you click here, a menu will be popped up, and from this menu there are a couple of options. We want to change the height of each row, so here we will see this type of option, auto fit row height. We just need to click here, and once we click this option, Excel will auto format, auto fit the height of the row. The same way we want to change the width of this column. To do this thing again, we need to click this format, and from here we have to choose this option, auto fit column width, and if we select here by clicking, then all the width of each column will be changed and it will be expanded automatically or shrink automatically. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily auto fit all rows and all columns in Excel very easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.